All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to another session. This is actually our first cash and coffee session for the 2022, and I hope you're all doing great. So, um, let's start it. Actually, I'm setting this new it's a new broadcasting program that I'm actually testing it out. So please let me know if you have any kind of problem in it and you're experiencing any sort of let me actually fix myself too. Yeah, problem, just let me know and I'm gonna take care of it. All right, so let's start with gold. As you can see it on the screen, we had a crazy spike to the upside, which I wasn't actually expecting it, but it actually clears some sort of bias for us. We did have, well, on London session I was thinking that it is gonna go down and hit the yearly moving average. It did attempt to drop for about like 100 pips and now it's back above 4-hour DMA. I don't believe that this is you see that for the last 3 weeks is kind of consolidating. It created the high, which is high of previous week and the week before. Technically it's high of the year so far. And we also have a range down here, so it's fair to say gold is actually still consolidating. It did have a consolidation here, pushed to the upside, and now it's still consolidating there. So I'm not interested in taking any trade right now on it. But I do think it's gonna hit this high, either breaking it to the upside or continue to work as a resistance there. All right. And then looking at lower time frames, you can see in 30 minutes or 15 minutes DMAs are actually broken. And let's go to the next one. We're having we are gonna look at US 30 as well. US 30 also looking bearish as of right now. We do have this support down here, right? From London session, it was pretty bearish. Didn't take the trade myself due to not meeting my confirmation while I was awake. Okay, and sorry, 1 second. All right, so I don't know why it's not showing. Okay, good. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna wait till 9:30. As of right now, I do see bullish engulfing on 15 minutes, which actually I'm expecting it to push it a little further up. From here, you can see the bullish engulfing now. I zoomed in. So if they come back above this or have a spike and coming back above $35,666, then I actually expect it from there to see a push back to where it was, possibly hitting 36,100. That's around 500 pips that can be basically there. Let's wait for it. Nothing really. Now GBJPY, this is actually the loss that I took in London session. Didn't pay attention to the week and Tuesday reversal, which you always have to pay attention. However, I didn't. I was still based on my trading plan. It's not like I went over it, like over traded or went against my plan or anything. The only thing is I followed my plan, didn't work out, and I can exactly know why it didn't. Okay, stop hunt above high of the Monday, hitting the GPG level with the bearish engulfing, very nice M formation. So the push to the upside here was basically the buyer's trap that happened using news. I actually got trapped in there too. So the reason I got trapped with that candle wasn't how big it looks in 15 minutes or anything. The reason was the bullish engulfing in 4 hour. Price came above it, consolidated, gave me a bullish engulfing, and that's a confirmation for me that price, well, that's a clue that price want to go up. And then breaking it, on lower time frame, confirmed that it want to go up. So that was the reason I took the loss. Someone in the chat asks, set up gold buy or sell long time. Can't really tell you that way because, as I mentioned, it is inside a range. So I can't really tell you. But in my opinion, overall, we're looking to see push to the upside. Simply because we have a resistance. There are going to be sellers up here. They're going to be sellers up here. And price will be interested in taking their liquidity. Especially with the bullish engulfing that happened right now. I'm just hoping that they give us a little bit of chance to get in and not get too volatile. By the look of it right now, in 15 minutes, they want to just go. But it's all good. Hopefully not. But always have a good attitude with the market. We're not fighting here. We just get beaten sometimes. And that's like a teacher beating you to teach you something. I'm not a fan of teachers beating their students, but you know what I mean. So hopefully you got your answer, sir. And yeah, all right, so let's take a look at Euro USD as well. So Euro USD in 4 hour on a London session, we had wrong one. I don't know what's that. Yeah, excuse me if something pops up and it's not normal. I am getting used to this, but so far so good. I like the way it looks like. So Euro USD, we did have this bearish engulfing. Okay, and looking at other time frames like 30 minutes and 1 hour, it was breaking the DMAs, and we had a nice DCR on 15 minutes. It's safe to say I missed this one. It was pretty nice. However, the reason I didn't take the trade was that price was at the DMA already. Taking an induction where induction usually ends is not the wise thing to do, and that's one of the reasons I didn't get in. By the look of it right now, consolidation, break to the downside, spending time around DMA a little bit, hitting that GPG levels. As you can see, we have a nice bullish engulfing too. If we see a rejection or something, I might go to lower time frame and look for a break or DCR. If not, I'm just gonna leave it alone. But it does have a chance from here to continue this upward move that we actually took before. In the other hand, we can also think that they're already trapped and induction is over. They want to go down below this zone, which also makes sense. I just need more confirmation and a better entry to get in, better price for entry. Yeah, my entries usually need to be as close as possible to DMA. Okay. Let me know in the chat, guys, that if you are experiencing any sort of, I don't know, lag or bad quality or something. So I want to just know. So that's about Euro USD. I'm actually not going to take any buy with this kind of momentum. Only if we see actual rejection. Okay. Now let's jump into. Let me actually take a look at this AMC real quick. Alright, it's kind of recovering. Alright, let's go to cryptocurrency now. For the cryptocurrency, we usually have a big list like this, which is the altcoins, and also I have to actually add Bitcoin and Ethereum from down here all the way to the up. That's a new list I made, so it doesn't have those. Alright. So let's go over cryptocurrencies and see how the market looks like. Honestly, I am absolutely bearish on cryptocurrencies and I don't see any reason for it going up. We have this nice support down here on Bitcoin. You see, that's being worked, and in my opinion it's going to be worked a little bit more soon before they actually break it, and then ultimately we're gonna see break off $40,000 in my opinion. We filled this week and now it's time to grab the liquidity. So if I actually extend this, you can see that it's been used multiple times, not one or twice, multiple times to confirm the fact that, well, it's wrong to say the fact, to validate this for retail traders. Okay. And then once enough liquidity is generated, in my opinion, they're gonna call it a really strong support, and then a lot of people are going to execute, either start going long or simply buy. Now the worst is getting into the buy position in, like going long with futures or leverage or anything. And the best thing you can do if you don't want to miss the chance, because obviously this is what happened to me here. This support was there. I actually didn't get in because I thought it's going to be broken, and then price shoot up and created an all-time high. So to avoid that, you can actually buy the physical coin and hold it. Yes, the value goes down. Well, it show it to you that the value is going down. However, you're just experiencing a little bit of, it's a long-term investment. It's going to be a little bit of drawdown. All right. So cryptocurrencies are bearish in my opinion. Looking at Ethereum, this is actually definition of safety trade for us. That means the bearish move is not overpriced, just consolidated around DMA. And you can expect this to be the case right here, because the way they consolidated is literally the way consolidated here. Okay, hope that makes sense. Now, what is going to happen once major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and if we take a look at BNB, it is also breaking 4-hour DMAs. What's gonna happen when they are actually down? Let's take a look at it here. So right now in Coin360 website, where you go, you can see majority is red. We have Solana, AVAX, VET on major red, while these are the rest is not really like major red. We have a lot of major reds on here too. In Ethereum tokens like Mana, QNT, ENG, GRT. I actually own all of these coins. Matic, SHIB, CRO, all of them is going down. But if you are actually a holder, one of the two ways for you. You either have enough that you need, so you just wait because it's a long-term investment, or you don't have as much as you need and it's time for you to buy. And even if you see it's going lower, it's still time to buy. Warren Buffett says the money is made when there's blood in the street. And currently you can see there is blood in the street. Not that big, because this thing can be 12 or 20%, okay? Or 10%. In my opinion, 10 to 20% drop from current value, it's very possible. All right. Let's go back to the chart. Now I'm going to quickly go over the rest of these cryptos so you can see. Well, we're going to go over it. Just 1 sec. All right. So we are having Ripple first. Definitely bearish. It's already going down. I think we can possibly see 60 cents for Ripple. Okay. And then we have Tron. Tron also had a nice induction trend right here. And after inducing people to buy, it's breaking it and it's going down. Okay. And if we go to Litecoin, you can see pretty much same thing. Induction trend, breaking it. Quickly going over the rest. Each one has some sort of trap for buyers, in my opinion. It's either a support, or they create a trend line, or it was like a weak fill that is still happening. I don't know. Breaking the DMAs, a lot of different things. The most important part for me is that they all look bearish, and you have an opportunity to buy good prices soon. Okay. You can see it here. Mana is down. CRO. Everything is below DMAs. And that says one thing. We're going down. And everyone argues with it. Oh, look at that. Cardano. Breaking the high of 3 weeks ago while hitting the yearly moving average and going down. Beautiful. Solana at yearly moving average. I should say this is the only one that might stop around here, but yeah, we're probably gonna see break. Yeah, if it dropped down, and if you are into NFTs, make sure to grab some, because you can buy NFTs with it. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother going over the rest. All looking at, as I can see the percentage, they're all going down. Okay, so let's go to, let me take these off. Let's go to US30 real quick again, and gold. See if we can get an opportunity to participate into any of the moves. Gold light right now coming down. Let me go to 10 minutes. No cross. I do like it, to be honest, the way that they pushed it up, came back to the level, rejecting it. Let's see how many pips is stop loss if we wanna get into the buy here. 30 to 35 pips. If we get in here and price just come and grab liquidity above this, that would be about 240. Pretty usual for US30, I must say. Sorry, that's the gold. Alright. Let's take a look at US32. Not bad. Still have absolutely no confirmation to see buy on it whatsoever. Nothing is in our favor right now. And GJ is still looking sell. And EU dropping, hitting that level as we speak. Yeah, I think I'm going to try gold with, let's see, with probably 35 pips of stop loss. Just one sec. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be about 35 pips. I'm okay with it, simply because it's gold and it's gonna usually push up. I just got in. Sorry if I'm looking too much that side. That's like my third screen. All right, so let's see how it's gonna play out, and I'm actually gonna need to send this to my students channel. Just give me 1 second. That's actually looking not bad. Currently price is on break even, didn't go anywhere. And let's send it to our members in analysis channel. All right, the trade alert has been sent just now, and just type the name for them. All right, I'll fix it later. All right, so we're actually going up. As you can see, our entry is kind of at the wick. Let's see if they are going to push it up. And also let me know if you guys also got in. Okay. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. Let's take a look at coin market cap a little bit and take a look at whatever that is hot right now. Now something that I think it's hitting Ethereum really hard, and I can see it on the news and articles now, is the crazy gas fee. A lot of different coins are actually in the market with a hell a lot less gas fees, if that makes sense. And they're making memes, for example, like a sandwich, they accept Ethereum, it's $5 and it's like $75 gas fee. So your burger gonna cost you $80. And I think these are not like, these articles are coming out for a reason. They're trying to warn you about the fact that coins like Cardano or Solana, what else? Polygon. These coins that actually have their own blockchain, the fees are less. BNB, fees are better. The speed of the transactions are faster, and in terms of being environmental friendly, AVAX, all these coins, you see they're actually popping up. Polygon here. It is very, very, very possible for them to actually outrun Ethereum. Now you might think it's not gonna happen. It's okay. We're gonna see it later. But just think about how much more people are going to actually bring their liquidity into the new blockchains that are cheaper compared to those who didn't want to try a $300 fee on buying a coin because of Ethereum gas fee. Okay, these are important. Let's take a look at gold. Pushed a little bit high and now it's back down towards drawdown right now. Still respectful to the level, but it's okay. I took 3 trades today. One of them was GJ that I showed you, it was a loss, and then I took a Euro JPY, like correlation wise, and this would be the third one. Hopefully it's not gonna be losing strike, but if it is, it's all good. One trade is enough to get them all back. Yeah, if you have any question, guys, let me know, and if not, we can call it a day. I'm gonna be sitting on this trade, not going to close it in middle or something. Stop loss, you can see where it is, and let's just wait for it. And US volume is gonna be in the market pretty soon. Alright, so enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in another Cash and Coffee. Peace out.